The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Good morning, Imad, or afternoon, or whatever time it is for you. Imad, how about an hour after the stream ends today for us to talk on Discord? Hey, busy? Glitch? Okay, markets overnight looked a little flat. Alright, I will. Popped up. So our low is 28, high was 49, so about 21 points of range. I guess not that flat. Cool. Copper. Mid-range of only about a 80 tick range there. Gold pulling back after getting back up to 1949, back down toward the bottom of its range, 16 points. Ultra Bond fell big an hour after Europe opened, and is at the bottom, toward the bottom of its range, about 1.5 points. Natural gas fell below 3. Just shocking to me, it really is. I thought for sure we would be seeing 10s, but this is why I don't trade it. 160 ticks there, and last but not least, the oil that is so crude. And it's very crude because it made a new high since I put this yellow line here. How crude of it. Back above 81, about 150 ticks of range. BTC back above 23 after dipping. Had a weird huge dip back here last night. Doge running as well. So that's where we stand, or whatever body posture you choose, as we're heading up. All right. Have a good run. Bordio. Good afternoon or evening. Big, quick, just burst up there. I believe we're at new high a day here. Wait, hold on now. No, 49's high. Burst up, pulling back. Gotta find me a chart here. Let me find me a chart. I guess I should have tested whether or not it's showing the chart. And I need to go back to this. I got that. Let me quickly flash to make sure my chart is showing up. Yep, hey, good. Alright, try to keep track of all this. IMAD is 7 hours ahead of me. And you're like 14 hours ahead of me, Borneo. The one who knocks. Welcome. I didn't hear the knock though, but glad you're here anyway. There we go, rising up. 46 now. To see here, the one who knocks. Oh, 14:34, so 8 hours ahead of me. Where are you, if you don't mind sharing? And welcome to the stream. I don't remember seeing your name before, so I'm assuming you're new. Or I'm getting Alzheimer's, because I would think I would remember the name. I'm getting Alzheimer's, don't tell me. Okay. Cool. We have a few people recently from South Africa, I believe. Hi there, folks. If you think you're going to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continue to move forward. News this morning. We have some. We have a bunch, actually. Let me let financial juice load. There we go. We have U.S. initial jobless claims. U.S. GDP quarter-over-quarter advance. And U.S. durable goods all coming out at 8:30. And then at 10 o'clock Eastern, U.S. new home sales. Then at 10:30, natural gas inventories. At 11 o'clock, Kansas City Fed manufacturing and Kansas City Fed composite index. So we are chock full of news today. Oh, glad to have you. Glad you decided to say hello. Tom Eller, good morning. Watching ES just climb here. Started right as I came on. Unfortunately, I wasn't ready. This was a trigger candle for me. And my strategy right here. And since that trigger, actually, that should be a purple candle, but you can see it's gone about 5 points. Good morning, JC. How are you doing today? I'm hanging in there. There we go. So now we hanging around 40, 45. Are we both lagging, or are we gonna consolidate and come back down? We shall see. We shall see. Uh, I don't really have a target. I just want to make good trades on my base them on my strategy. Take the trades and see what happens. I don't have never have a specific dollar amount in mind or anything like that. Just take the trades and see what happens. You can see here I did, yesterday I did blow that other apex because I started forcing trades because time was running out. And I took a trade in the wrong direction against my rules. But if you look here, for anyone that's new, I go back through the day and mark off all the trades that fit my strategy. And the ones that would have worked, I mark with a purple line. The ones that would have hit a stop, I mark with a blue line. And I do that from the time I come on stream to the end. Basically the end of the day. It's 4 o'clock Eastern. The market's actually open at 4:59, but I cut it at 4. And in that time, I would have had 20 setups that worked and 10 that didn't. So if I had taken every one, that would have been a net 10 for 2 points each. Six E. Yeah, 6E was good to you yesterday, JC. Hopefully that continues. I like to see relationships on the mend. Morning, Matt. A little bit of dip. Try to, yeah, easy for me to say pop. Pop, 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 pop. Back up. What's going on in Matt's world today? Ready for another good day of trading? Uh, Unfortunately, that link, if anyone wants to go to the Discord, that link in Nightbot's not going to work. I'm going to have to fix that. We're no longer fully boosted on that server, so I can't use the custom link anymore. Morning, Robin. Let me quickly edit that Nightbot. There we go. That's done. Oh, is that you, Bean Trader? Or, or Rocket Man? Yeah, I posted on Twitter. Oddly, yesterday I posted on Twitter that I did not pass the Apex evaluation, and Top Step replied with a sad face. Thought that was interesting. Hips busy? Sorry to hear that, but hope you recover. Hey, freighter. So yes, hanging up here. Ooh, excuse me. Don't usually let my belches come through. That one caught me off guard. Oh, another big burst up there. I like big bursts, and I cannot lie. I did that yesterday. I gotta stop repeating content. Up to 40.50 high day. Quickly pulls back. We're just running away. Yes, I thought yesterday might be the start of a bear move, but it rebounded. You can see we were going down all day, and it rebounded and ended up, almost being back to where it started. Now it's above where it started. Matter of fact, I think if we look, no, we made it up to 40.56 right here on Monday. Not, I don't remember that, but if we get above that, then we are higher than any point since mid-December when we hit 41.80. But we just continue to rise up, rise up. Up, we'll get the next one. So it's hitting 40.50 exactly here. Might be where we peter out. Morning, John. Oh, I guess it's not. 40.51 half. continuing to rise up. Seeing the volume coming in here big time here. Let's see if there's something going on. There's something going on right here now. Celebrate. Don't see anything as we're now up to back up to 40.51 half. Comcast beats on earnings. It's been the only, yeah, probably because they gave a crappy service and they're a monopoly in most places. Anywho. The market's on fire. This market's on fire. Hey, Mr. G. It didn't just take it out, G, it smashed it. Did a power bomb right into a roll up for a quick 1, 2, 3. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna trade what I see. I don't know what I thought. Yes, like I just said right before you came on, G, that I thought yesterday when we were coming down so fast, we came down like 70 points, 80 points, whatever it was. I thought that was gonna be the reversal, and we're gonna start seeing the market heading down. And then it regained it all in the afternoon. So up to 40.52. Up to 40.53.75. It is just rocking and rolling. Dow doing the same. Copper popping up. Good question. Wow, another big impulse candle. Huge impulse candle. 40.58.75 new high. I mean, this is just weird because, we've been seeing very slow price action this time of morning this week. And since we've been on, we just popped up 18 points in 25 minutes. For anyone who wants to check it out, here's the link to Mr. G's channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. I'm pulling back and giving back almost that whole candle. Okay. So pulling back down to 40.52. So 6-point pullback. Y'all from Sneeze of Doom again. We're sitting at 40.50 run, but not giving me any opportunities here. So we watch and wait. We watch and we wait. Nasdaq also popping up. It's up to, oh, it broke 12,000. Nasdaq broke 12,000, now pulling back. Ultra Bond not looking much awake yet. What's all doing? All had a nice little pullback there, back up. No, I did not. Greetings, Dakota. I've really only been trading in the evenings on Mondays when I stream. And we're hanging here 40.53. Bot is up and down. It's has good days and bad days. I'm just I got to do some adjustments and see if I can find Something that's going to make the bad days less bad, put it that way, without killing the good days. Yep, top of the hour. Yep, as G says, lots of news in 30 minutes. Lots of news. It's trying to come back up. Up and up and up. Look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's yes. So, do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. Definitely feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions are always welcome. Most comments are welcome as well. I used to joke that say criticism was welcome as well, but too many people took that one to heart. So, watching. Dave, we have a gaggle of news today. And good morning. We have a gaggle of news. At 8:30, we have unemployment, or as its official name, U.S. initial jobless claims. And also at 8:30, a U.S. GDP quarter-over-quarter advance, U.S. durable goods report. And then at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. new home sales. MasterCard just reported its earnings and it beat estimates. And I'm sure it wishes to thank you all for using your credit card during the holiday season. Oh, Freighter, you're fine. Telling the truth is fine. I mean, we don't want to talk about politics or religion here, but other than that, you know, telling the truth in a respectful way is a positive thing. Pulling back a little bit now. Kind of grinded up with not the same strength that we saw. Now it's pulling back. sure what just caused that flashing. The break below the 20 EMA. Still well above that 100. If we bounce a little bit here. See those bands are kind of closing in. Might squeeze a bit here. Oops, wrong button. There we go. Take the bands off for a cleaner look. A cleaner look. Right here, this candle here, you can see that explosion in volume. This would have been G-Man's volume spike trade. He would have took that short right away. You took that trade, Robin? On the volume spike? Nice. Great job. I noticed it 10 minutes later. Down, up, and then down here? It's our ATM. That 170. Going short here. Wow. Did I just take 2 ticks of slippage? We'll see. Oh wow, that's interesting, Freighter. Get my entry. Entry is 40, 49, 75. I don't think I'll ever use, I don't use, I mean, I have the option of using a fingerprint to open my phone. And I stick with the pin. I don't use any of the biometric stuff. Pop it back up here. What's the EMA at? 40, 51, 25. My stop's at 40, 51, 75. Looks like I'm gonna get knocked out here. Maybe not. There it goes. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. 20 minutes before news. Oh, there we go. Back to my entry point. Obviously back to just using one contract today. Buyers keep trying to come in there at that 40, 49, 50 level. Not allowing me to get through that. Watching the bid and the ask numbers and lots of there as soon as it hits 40, 40, 49, 50, you see big number. Does not seem to want to break. Slowed down, volumes dropped. Probably will stay dropped. Stay dropped. Stay low till the news. We're at the EMA. Tickled the 20 EMA. Now down 3 ticks. Maybe I should stop wearing this flea and tick collar. Supposedly repels ticks. It's hanging here. Can't break that 40, 50. But let's give it another try here. Point profit. I mean, a ticket profit. Sorry, not a point. I was for 2.5 seconds. Yeah. Down a point now. Sitting on that 20 EMA. Down wick, green candle. Now back to red, watching. It's a fluctuating. 15 minutes till news now. We've been in this trade About 7 minutes. Back to my entry. There we go. Maybe a spike down. Staying, staying alive, staying alive. Ah, 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 ah. Staying alive. There we go. Back to entry. Should I have taken the 2 ticks? We'll find out soon enough here on MightyOxTrading. Then back down the tick. Back up to 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Patience is a virtue. Yep. Back to my entry. Struggling to get below 40.49. Someone could go in and short about 100 ES contracts, so appreciate it. Obviously, SEC, I'm just kidding. I'm not asking anyone to manipulate the market. Don't find me. Torture. That's what it is. Down by 2 ticks now. I really like the trades that just like finish in the minute. Been in this one for 9 minutes now. And we're right back where we started. No, Matt, I'm not kinky like that. Down 2 ticks. Ten minutes till news. Oh, there we go. Give it to me, baby. Did not. What was it about, JC? Nope. Not breaking lower. Back to my entry. Well, it was up 4 or 5 ticks there. Should have made. I was thinking about taking it, but I never. I always, tend to take profit too early. Hello, trade together. How's it going this morning? Back to entry. GED, welcome. Don't recognize your name if you're new. Welcome. Glad to have you. Well, we're glad to have you if you're not new, but either way, welcome to the herd. Morning, Zabak. Glad to have you. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoy it here. And you know what? Maybe you're my good luck charm. You talk, and it's now 2 ticks for my target. Okay, Matt. Hope everything's okay. Target hit. There we go. Patience is a virtue. It took 12 minutes, but we got our 2 points. So we are out. $100 on the win. And we start the day off well. I was going to say, isn't flag football supposed to prevent those injuries, Matt? Okay, so I hope everything's okay there. We get him fixed up. We can put him in the same league as John DeFore, who blew out his arm playing hockey. Thank you, Dakota. Thank you, JC. So happy to start the day off with a $100 win. And it looks like it didn't go much further. You see that bounce off pretty much close to the 100 EMA. Thank you, Robin. So, of course, we're going to stay flat here until after the news. Thanks, trade together and busy. So, good win to start the morning. It was a torture win, but it was a win nonetheless. Rather a torture win than a quick loss. So now technically that trade wasn't in my trading plan, which should be the only take longs here. Matter of fact, this is actually a trigger candle, but I'm not taking it because of news. I mean, if it would hold. But why did I take it there? Saw this down move, did not take that, and I saw these two little candles back up and then came back down. To me, that established that it wanted to come down. And like I said, it was a slow grind, but it did come down 2 points. So remember, we're less than 3 minutes away. If you're in any trades, be very careful. We're less than 3 minutes away from 3 different, what they call red folder news events. And we are seeing a bounce back up. So we're actually above what my entry was on that trade. So got 2, not much more, but it worked. One minute to go. 1 minute. 1 minute. Places, everybody. That would have been a good bounce, by the way, to take. Now, I didn't take it because of news and because I was kind of celebrating my win. But this has been a nice little bounce, especially after maybe getting 1 or 2 confirmation green candles. Like I said, this would have worked, and it would have worked for 2 points. So this would have been a good trigger candle, even though I didn't take it. Less than 30 seconds. Synchronized streaming. Oh, thanks, Matt. I'll check that out here shortly. Synchronized streaming. Whoa! Wowzers. So quick burst down by 11 points, but coming right back. Let's go look at numbers. U.S. initial jobless claims only 186K. They expected 205K. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter 2.9. They expected 2.6. U.S. durable goods 5.6. They expected 2.5. Everything's a beat here. U.S. core durable goods negative 0.1. They expected negative 0.2. The only thing that wasn't a beat was the trade U.S. advanced goods trades balance. Economy still showing strength. Say that 5 times fast. So we bounced off the top, bounced off the bottom, just trying to come back down now. Obviously that's a trigger candle, but not a trigger candle I would take. Awesome, Matt. That's awesome. I like that. I'll have to add that. I mean, I don't chart off trading that NinjaTrader, but it'd still be cool to have. And for those of you that do, that'd be definitely a good idea to add that. Awesome, G. And we're bouncing back up here. Crude. Yeah, crude's up to 80. Got up to 81.50. Good luck on that, JC. So ES is up, down, up, down right now. Doesn't know which way it wants to go. Oh, I forgot about the bond market opening. But oh yeah, bonds just shot down by 13 ticks. You can see here, new daily low. Whoosh. Whoosh. Awesome. I assume you're doing well with that, G. Dollar bills, y'all. Looks like trying to form the down direction. Yes, they are. Gee, yes, they are. Way too high. They haven't come down at all here. If I buy 5 dozen at a time in the big box, they're $4 a dozen. That big box was a nuisance to be in my fridge, though. So now we'll wait for this to kind of chill out before we look for another entry. Thank everyone for being here this morning, 42 people. Nice number. Hope everyone's having a great day. If you have a moment, hitting that like button would be very appreciated. Fortunately, I don't have a Costco nearby. Nearest Costco is up in Peoria, which would be like a 2-hour drive. Hey, playa, welcome. That seems to have fallen through. G. It's still hanging in the balance, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I've never been to Chipotle. I was stuck in a trade until GED started talking, so And I got the win like a minute later, so he's my good luck charm now, whether he knows it or not. uh, Fortunately, jobs on my feet won't work for me because I only have one feet. Trying to pop back up. This ended up being a reversal candle. Back up to 40.48. Yep, strong rise back up to where the news candle started. Nothing will kill this market. Nothing, nothing. I worked at McDonald's back in the day, G. Way back in the day. Worked at McDonald's for 4 years. In a little town called Womelsdorf, Pennsylvania. Good morning, RJ. Excuse me one sec. Back up to 40.56. Our high was this quick impulse candle here, 40.58.75. I started working there when I was 17, and I lived in that little town of Wilmersdorf. And there isn't a Burger King within 10 miles of that little town. Gold? Oh yeah, gold did make a new daily low, though it's bouncing. Still rising up. Yeah, McDonald's was my first real type job. Did McDonald's, I did front end, first cashier, then got promoted to front end manager at a grocery store. Then I was a shift manager at a Pizza Hut. Then I did telemarketing. 943. Oh, nice trade together. That's an excellent trade. Good job. Beautiful. Are you still in that trade, or do you have a target in mind? Okay, Zabak, you have a song catalog? I've never purposely listened to a Justin Bieber song. Oh, wow. That's awesome, Zabak. Finding out things about Zabak that we never knew. $16 ticks plus? Oh, nice job. Very nice. We dipped down, back up. Didn't touch that EMA to give me an entry. Yep, we are about 45 minutes till the bell. We should soon see Ace arriving. So Zabak wants to go down, the dollar to go down. Sid and Mr. G wanted to go up. Bitcoin just above 23. See Bitcoin dip there on the news. Dip, 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 dip. That high of the day was the highest we've seen since December 14th. Good morning, Ace. How is Ace today? Hey, PJ. It's kind of doing that same move it did over here. This big move up, down, tried up, lower high, back down, here, up, down. Not really the lower high. Well, there's the lower high, and now down. All right, Ace jumps on, and immediately the market starts. No G-Man this morning. Chris Moore still missing. Ace got in 40.52.75. Back up to his entry. All right, we'll keep an eye on that GED. Pop it up there, Ace, I see. Hanging right on that EMA. Sitting on the EMA. Watching time slip. Sorry. For those of you that might be new, every now and then I break into song and usually apologize after. Yeah, I was actually, this would have been a long setup for me. It wicked down to the EMA and now popped back up. It's gone up 6 ticks, but neither way is looking real strong right now. uh, Ace being charitable. So taking one trade so far this morning, 1 for 1. Looking for more. So let's mark this off and see if it would have gone for me. So far, it would have been another torture trade. But that'll be 2 points from that entry with a 2-point stop. So we'll see. We'll see. About 9 minutes till the top of the hour, we'll have crude opening, energies markets opening. Wow, crude is really taking off. Is the Bach not trading crude today? Meanwhile, natural gas continues to fall and may go to zero. If it breaks that channel, I hope it's ready to replace it. Still heading up, so it would have given me my 2 points there. That would have been a good trade, so I should have taken it. $100,000. Wow. So yep, rising back up to this level here. This 40.57. High was 40.58.75. Let's check out that euro dollar everyone's talking about. Euro on a 1 minute chart. Moving up nicely. It's moving on up. Ooh. Good conversation here. Liking it, liking it. Very, very much. So let's mark that. 800's purple. As did this one. You know, I'm stupid because I didn't even really take notice of that one. This is why, I do sometimes miss it, but that was after the news. I guess I just didn't really. You're all good, Ace. I didn't take it. Okay, new subscriber, I see. If I mispronounce your name, I apologize. Please correct me. Ineos Sartori, welcome to the herd. Thank you for being here. Please feel free to say hi in chat. Introduce yourself if you're comfortable doing so. PJ, no, I did not. I ended up making a mistake, forcing. I was starting to run out of time, so I started forcing trades, and that didn't work well. So now I will get funded with this one. We are 2.5 minutes from the top of the hour. Bullish engulfing, trying to push back up. Kind of hang in there. Hanging. Did we get a new high there? No, we did not. So you can see it's topped 3 separate times. Here. Whoop. Kinda. In that same area. Of course, this was our high earlier, 40.58.75. There's the top of the hour. Let's see what crude's doing. Crude's still taking off. Up to 81.87. Wow, Freighter. Thank you for that reminder for hitting the like button. Crude up to 88, 81.87, pulling back just a tad. ES still hemming and hauling here around 40.56. Thanks for the chuckle, Freighter. Usually Ace is the one that makes me laugh. He has not yet today. Just kind of sitting here, sitting here. Back up to that 40.57, and it bites it, and it quickly recoils, but comes back. And back up there, 40, trying to break through. Trying to break through. Okay, G. Good luck with that. Popping up, 40.58 half, almost that high day. uh, you'll vacuum your eye out. $40.59 new high. 25 minutes till the bell. I guess I can get rid of the line. Whoop. 40.60. 40.60. So let's take a gander again. This is our hourly chart. Let's go back here. This is the last time we were this high. Wednesday, December 14th. 11 days before Christmas. We hit a high of 40.90 that day. And the day before was CPI day for December, and that day we hit 41.80 before it started falling. That's where we started falling hard for like a week, week and a half. So, don't know if that matters or not, but just where we're just context. Welcome back, Glitch. How was the run? Hey, no Crypticon yet this morning. So we're watching and we're waiting. We're hopping in, we're praying. Baba ran, Baba, Baba ran. Wow, look at crude. Going, going, gone. And natural gas continues to be at lows. Not the home improvement store. Wow, look at that bounce on treasuries. Let's look at that. Nice bounce down. Consolidated up. Treasuries are moving back with the indices right now, at least for today. Excellent. G. Hello, have fees? What worked out, Hassan? How's it going? Talk to us, man. Excellent, Hassan. Excellent. Let's check on silver. Silver and gold. Yeah, silver booming up there. It's a nice. I mean, this is from the last 2.5 hours or so. 785 up to 285. So it's $2,500. It's been a while since I looked at silver, but yeah, I think that's what that is. Wheat also is popping up. Ooh, big move down there on ES. About 3 points. Down to the EMA. One trade so far, winner for $100, Glitch. Nice, Hassan. I'm very happy to hear that for you, buddy. I'm old, PJ. Sorry. Be glad I don't still use the VWAP indicator. When I was using that, every time I'll talk about it, I'll be like VWAP, 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 VWAP. Oh, excellent trade together. So you're up about 60-ish points, I believe, trade together on MNQ. Trying to push toward the bottom of the ZMA or trying to push through it. Now there's a push down. Back up. Burrow? Not much today yet. Well, I mean, nice news report, and we've been just, nothing will kill this market. And we are about 16 minutes from bell. Wow, that's a big goal trade together. Really big goal. We'll keep that in mind. We'll see if it gets there. Hope it does. Seems like everyone thinks that we're going to continue long today, even though we've been on this extended uptrend now for quite a while. Morning CBR, welcome. Let's see, another new subscriber. Back up to 1,230, so we've rebounded nicely from Exodus on Monday. It really hasn't hurt the channel at all. Popping back up here. Good morning, Kevin Seneca. Welcome. Are you another new subscriber? I don't recognize that name. Thank you for joining the herd. Glad for you to be here. This was a trigger candle. Yeah. I'm being too hesitant again here, possibly. We'll see. We'll market to market to market. Kevin, did YouTube recommend the channel, or how did you find it, if I may ask? Discord. Oh, okay, cool. Excellent. Awesome. So we are approaching the bell. AQ's back above 12,000. Ultra bonds up to 143. Copper popping. Popping, stopping, popping like the copper. that better there, PJ? Bringing out some hip hop. All right, shorten JC is shorten 6E. I almost said 6E is shorten JC. Crude oil continuing to push up. Does not reach my would not have reached my goal yet. Let's see if it does. I never started my binaural beats today. How about that? Just realized it now, almost 2 hours in. Excellent, JC. Wonderful. There's that quick move down on JC. JC there, I did it. 6E. Quick move down on JC. Yep. Short JC. Nice little reversal candle there. Yep. Most people don't have any clue what they are, glitch. So nice to see by somebody that does. Oh, here we go. Pull back. Now trying to rise up. So this is trying to earn its purple. Oh, it would have earned its purple. And what do I mean by earning its purple? It means whenever a setup works, I give it a purple line. When it doesn't work, I give it a blue. I haven't had any blues this morning. So I should be 5 for 5 this morning. I've taken one trade. I should have taken 5. This one I just generally missed. This one I hesitated on. This one I hesitated on. But we are up to 40.61 now. What the heck is Foodie Burgers? I've never heard of them. Spies like us. 40.63. We are just continuing to just push higher. Can you take us higher? If I ever get the... Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. I got you, G. Sorry. I missed that. If I ever get wealthy on this trading thing, I'll take singing lessons. Morning, Crypticon. How's your kid doing? Yes, what's up, Crypticon? Boom, still going, still rising. I said one day I might do a full stream as a musical. ES is rising up, it's rising up. Higher and higher it goes. Oh, sorry. Welcome back, Sid. Wow, that was quite the office change. What country were you in before? Wait, reach goal on a PA account? You mean a funded account? What goal do you have on a funded account? I'm confused. Or do you mean an evaluation account? Pulling back a little bit here with 5 minutes or so, 5.5 minutes to go to the bell. There is no profit target on a PA account, Crypticon. It's a funded account. Yeah, I mean, you just there's also no limit minimum of trading days. All those rules go away. The only rule you have to follow on a PA account is not hitting your drawdown. And they have some sort of news restrictions too now, but there is no profit target on a PA account. You can go as wild as you want. As we're pulling back here, 63.5 down to 59.5. Pull back by 4 as we head into the bell. Oh, maybe. Crypticon, like, what's your balance right now? I guess I'm confused. Okay, well then okay, but okay, so you reached your safety threshold. So now you just need to continue trading so you can actually get profit above that safety threshold. There's no minimum or maximum days to that though. Thank you guys. I hadn't thought about the safety threshold. So yeah, now you just need to continue to trade for profit, Crypticon. You're above the safety threshold. It's not like they're giving you another account after you reach the safety threshold. It's all one account. Now you just need to start going for profit. Pop back up there. Up, down, up, down. Obviously, this is a trigger candle, but we are 40 seconds from the bell, so. Nope, right back down as we're ready to hear that ding-a-ling. We'll ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling. Ding, 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 ding. Bell quickly whips up to 40.60 back down. This is looking like a downward setup, but since it's the open, we're not touching it. Not touching it. Not with a 10-foot pole. Not with a 20-foot pole. Not with a 32.5-foot pole. There we go. Back up. Is what we made what we said made makes sense there, Crypticon? Three and a half points up here on ES. New high day. 40.65 bursting up. 40.66. 40.67. Right, you had to trade for at least 10 days. But no, they want to. They're not going to be happy if you just do a micro on the funded account. I believe. I believe they have. I mean, I don't know if they have a consistency rule, but I know that they don't want you to be considered a windfall. But if you're like, how much profit have you made, Crypticon? That's it. Yeah, as long as you have fees, as long as you're, what's your stop loss then? Because you don't want your stop to be larger than your target unless you can guarantee yourself a very good win rate. So you've made 2K, Crypticon? Now you just got to keep trading. Keep trading normally. You know, you just got to keep building up your amount. You can't take out that 2K. That's your safety net or whatever. Now you need to trade for profit. So we got up to 40.67 twice here on these two candles. Yeah, so yeah, just keep trading for profit, Crypticon. conservatively. Pulling back now. And big pullback. So could not get above that 40.67, pulling back down. Staying above that EMA so far. Still only one trade this morning. We'll wait to see how everything shakes out. Remember, we do have another news report coming up at the top of the hour. News, news, news. We have the U.S. new home sales. Bullish engulfing, trying to head back up. Strong candle, 5 points. Pulls back. Strong. It wants 40.67. So we're still definitely on the uptrend right here. This would have been the first trigger candle that didn't work right there. Yep, pulling back again. Pulling back again. And back up again. So we're choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Pushing up. There we go. New high. 40.65.25. Pulling back down. So new high 40.68.25. Yeah, oil's cruising. Oil hit 82, pulled back some. Choppy chart. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Not even considering any of these trigger candles. I mean, this one would have worked, but I'm just not comfortable with any of this. Morning, Avi. How's it going? Back down to 40.60, so that quickly, 8-point drop. And trying to pop back up. But failing. Seen the low there, 40.58.75. The low there, 40.57.25. Got down to 58.75 there. Staying below that 20 EMA that time. Finished below, even though it popped above it. Push down. Got down to 40.58.25. Ooh, big burst down. And I was thinking about taking a short there too. I was thinking about setting a short order right there, and I should have. That would have gotten me 2 points plus. Now just hit that 100 EMA. See right there, it's a strong candle down, 5.5 points. See if it bounces on that 100. Does not. Breaks the 100. Welcome back, I'm Ad. Wow, big move down. Back down to 40.52. So in 5 minutes, we went from 40.68 to 40.52. So about 14-point drop and still going. 15 minutes till more news. Bounce here, though. Bounce back up to 40.55. All right, RJ. 39.99 would be nice if I caught that. Back up to 40.57 here after we dipped down to, I believe, 40.51. Yeah. Back above that 100. I try to push back down now. Might consolidate right around this 100 EMA or not. Took a quick short there. And it got within a tick of my target. Darn it. Come on, you're a tick away. Hit it. There we go. Target hit. So I was in at 40.55 even out of 40.53 even. Another 2-point win. We're up $200 on the day. This account's back to green. Now, why did I get in there? We saw this move down, the break back up of 100, and then this wick was breaking the 100 EMA again with a red candle, big wick. So I jumped on that, and it worked. Thank you, JC. Oops. Did I not hit save? Must not have hit save. It's still pushing down below 40.50 now. Eventually. We'll do more than one contract, or more. I'm sorry, not more than one contract. More than 2 points. As you can see, this is going down. I got out way too soon. This guy's still heading down. Wow, just absolutely flooding to the downside. Wow, just dropping like a rock. Ultrabond's not really doing anything though. Trade together. Are you still in your trade, or did you bail? Crude's also pulling back here. Natural gas is getting a bounce. YM going down. Copper going down. Oh wow, that FTX thing is just wide ranging. Okay, so far our bottom's at 40.39 half. Now, that's not low. That's not our low of the day. Our low of the day was the very first candle. 40.28.25 is our low of the New York session, of course. Oh wait, what am I doing? Yeah. Nice little bounce there. Nice little bounce. Back up to 40.45. So 8-point bounce back up. Real quick. There's a wiki candle. So it comes back down here. Yep, it does. But again, Crypticon, there's no limit on the amount of profit. You want to get as much profit as you can because that means, I mean, yeah, I mean you can only, I forget what the amount is. I think 1,000. You can only withdraw 1,000 the first month. I think it is. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember exactly. But there's no reason not to continue building profit. I think there's just continue trading. Don't need to continue trading today, but yeah, just continue trading for profit. There's no reason to stop, except for don't overtrade, etc., etc. But it's not like a PA account where you're just going to want to run a micro each day because you want to continue building up. Especially since I believe that trailing stop, if you're in a 50K account there, Crypticon, I believe that trailing stop stops at 2,500, 3K, or 3K, I believe, or something like that. I can't remember exactly where, but it stops somewhere around there. So you don't have to be as worried about that trailing stop. Continuing to head down here, 40.37. Yep, 20. Yeah, the original drawdown plus 100. So new low of the session, the New York session, 40.35.25. Popping back up. All right, reminder, folks, 3 minutes away from more news. Housing, 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 housing. So a handful of opportunities this morning. I'm 2 for 2. You can see I had taken these trades. I would actually be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of 7. That's okay. Yeah, and then once the 4 months has passed, right, JC? Then you can withdraw whatever. That's a good one, RJ. So hanging here 40-40. The U.S. new home sales, actual 0.616 million, forecast of 0.612 million. Yeah, close. A little bit of a, thought it was a beat. Yeah, a little bit of a beat. Made the market a little wonky, but not much movement. Might have stopped that upside momentum there. About an hour to go in the stream. We'll see if we can find another opportunity or two. $200 so far. Ox be happy with, if I could do $200 a day consistently on average, or say average, that would be life changing for me. So 200 is good. Looks like it wants to push back down. And then again, could be wrong. That's a slightly higher low. We're still well under the moving averages. Back up to the 20 EMA, tickling it there. 40-45. pulling back. I mean, pulling up. Sorry, not back. Up. Is breaking the EMA. Not taking a trade there. We're still below that 100. You can see possibly rejecting down. Wishy-washy around this 40-45 area. Wishy-washy. Good luck, glitch. Does look like it wants to go a little, go long here a bit, but not 100% sure about it. Do have these bands that are, you see the bands very much in a downtrend. Nice glitch. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, pulling back. And I should have, well, that was a missed opportunity on my part. This is a trigger candle. It doesn't look like much, but you see how we went white and then right back to blue, and we triggered. This would have given me 2. It earned its purple. And a quick move down by 5 points. Wow. It just got smacked. Smacked. Gold made a new daily low. Tiny profit is better than nothing. Good job, glitch. Dakota, you're really quiet today. You've been quiet the last few days. How is the trading going? I used to like hearing about your trades. Alright, good luck, JC. Down again, up again. Kind of squeeze into the downside maybe. Let's see. We'll see if we're getting overextended. So got back down to about this level here. 36.25, 36.50, 36.50. Still trying to push down. Or we're going to go for a new session low. Back up a little bit. Good luck, glitch. Popping up. What happened to crude? Whoa! That's a good question. Holy moly. EU considers capping Russian diesel at $100 ahead of import ban. It also capped discounted Russian fuel exports at 45. Looking to see if there's any other news that on oil. I don't see anything. Nice. I was thinking about taking this along with you. I should have. It's against my trading plan, but it would have worked. I liked it on the setup. This move up, down, and then right back up, and I was above this yellow line down here. So this would have worked. This was a nice trade glitch. I really did think of joining you, and I was thinking to myself, well, that's against my plan if I do that. But it, it was good. Getting back toward that 100 EMA. Sitting there, back up to 40.48. Alright, hope it continues to work. Yeah, it's looking nice. That's almost the same setup as yes. Kind of close. I don't have the. Are you kidding me? Wow. I still have super trend on this chart. I need to I need to clean up some of these charts. I haven't used Super Trend in months and months. $95.80. Oh, wait. Must be looking at something different. This is 6E? Wait, what? Am I looking at? Oh, okay, I see. Never mind. 92. Okay, yeah, never mind. I'm an idiot. Yeah, okay. 90. Wow, that's a big target. Okay, we're breaking the 100 here on ES. I'm taking out. Oops. No, I'm not. I hope you get it there, JC. When the moon hits the sky like a big pizza pie, that's a morning. Nice move here. Now this again was a trigger candle. I wasn't sure if I wanted to trust it there, but break of the 100 and it worked. I need to study that break of 100 because sometimes it bounces and sometimes it doesn't. I need to see how often the success rate of that is. Okay. A little bit of a consolidation here. We bull flagging to make a move higher. Curious, Glitch, what's your entry on this trade? If you don't mind sharing. If you don't want to share, that's alright too. Pulling back here to the 100 again. Let's see if it bounces. Nice bounce off the 100. Still a red candle though. 5 seconds. Nope. Was thinking about taking a long off that bounce. But it stayed red. We're still red. Still coming down. Is there? Oh, that's right. There is something. Yeah, that's right. Some. Yeah, it's a good point, JC. I forgot about it. Taking a long here. Will show as soon as I find my software. There we go. Wow, I already hit target. By the time I found my software to get show the trade, I hit my target. Entry of 40.54, added 40.56, another $100. 3 for 3 on the morning, now up $300. You can see the trade there. I'm gonna kill the chart again. It was literally seconds on that. Now what? After I run this, why did I get in there? Technically, it was not my play, but it did come back down, hit the 100, and then it came back up and got above where this level started with a green candle, and I just quickly pushed in and grabbed this move to the upside. Now again, you see it's breaking out to the upside, but I felt like we came down, bounced, and went up. It was going up, and I was right. Glitch, I assume you're still in. Thank you guys. Thank you. I'm at Alvi, JC, Glitch, Pamela. Nice to see you. Thank you. Excellent, Busy. Glad to hear that. Oh, 3 for 3 in the mornings. This is how I need all my mornings to go. And pulling back. Back down to 40.54, so we got up to 40.60, pulled back about 5 points now. Checking on 6E there. I believe JC's still in that trade. Pulling back. Back to the 100, trying to break back through to the other side. The 120 are now intertwining, and I don't like intertwined EMAs. And we're bouncing back up. Mm. Seems to be consolidating here. Back down. But looks like we're gonna just stick here. We're at 10:30. We have natural gas inventories. Let's check on those somewhere here. Oh, oh, that interesting candle. Good win, JC. I know it wasn't what you wanted, but Green is good. Note I said green is good, not green is good. And trying to pop up again. Pop up again. Yep, we're heading up. I am 3 for 3 on the day, Matt, for 300 bucks. Morning or afternoon, Jay. About 25 minutes left to go on the stream. If you haven't hit that like button yet, I would appreciate if you did. If you feel like it, no pressure. Thank you, Ace. Matt, how's the kid's shoulder? Pulls back there. Not get back up to 40-60. Got close, sniffed it. It didn't like being sniffed and smacked it. Think I'll smack someone that was sniffing me as well. Back down to the EMA. 20 EMA. So when something runs back up and attempts to get back to a recent high and fails, it's often a sign that it might be time to go short. Plus, we are past 1030. We might be seeing the classic 1030 reversal. It's now poking the 100. And thank you, by the way, RJ. Poked the 100, but bouncing back up off of it. Bounced up off of it. Bounced up off of it and let its wick down. Up, but coming right back down. Cannot break it. Remember, we have this little support here where we were consolidating. It kept trying to get down below 40.50. 40.50 was a battleground earlier, if we remember, when I was in a trade around that area. First trade of the day. There it goes, right to that area. Bounces again. Boom, through it. I was going to go short there. I even had it up. I had my finger on the button. Didn't take it. Should have. It was a trigger candle. But I was looking at that support, and so I didn't trust it. Obviously, would have worked very, very well. And I even said the setup was there by when I said it went up, came down, could not get back up to that same high. Was the recipe. Perfect recipe for a down move. Nice job, Crypticon. Wait, what? 5,600? Wow. Very nice job, Crypticon. Hooters on the agenda. You have to wait, Crypticon. There's only you have to request. I don't know the exact rules. Somebody, if you ask in the Discord, someone will be able to give you the exact rules for withdrawal. You're only allowed to withdraw so much each withdrawal period until you've like 3 months. I've never been funded with Apex, so I haven't gotten kept up on their withdrawal rules. I should do that sometime. He says he got 5,600 today, JC. On the first. So, there you go. There you go, Crypt. Even though he hasn't, I think he's saying this is only his third day of trading, though. Does it matter, JC? Is there a minimum number of trading days? Yeah, you need 10 days. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you're not gonna get it, Crypticon. Your 10th day, if you trade every day, will be the 6th. You're gonna miss that first period. I don't know when the second one is. I assume sometime middle of the month. So you'll be able to withdraw sometime in the middle of February, I believe. Assuming today was your third day. I believe that's what you said earlier. There we go. JC's our Apex payment expert. Earn the trade, you can get paid once a week. Yeah, I once suggested to a certain YouTuber that he do a video about the different payout structures of each company. He never did. If I could ever figure them out myself, I might consider it because I think it is a question a lot of people have, and some of these are confusing. Take profit, I believe, is day one. Trade day, you can take out whenever you want. Back up to 40.47. Or lock. I believe you would need to do that in our trader. I don't know what company what company are you trading with, Borneo? I don't think there's a way to do it. I think though that I know with Earn the Trade, if you contact support, they'll limit your contracts for you. But I don't think there's a way you can do it yourself. Might want to contact Apex support and see if they have a way of putting a limit on for you. Anyone else know of any way to make sure you don't go over a certain number of contracts in NinjaTrader or RTrader Pro? I've heard Apex support is pretty good, so I mean, it, yeah, that's a good point. Carib there says you could set up an ATM that because that just uses the default amount of contracts you set up in the ATM. That's a good idea right there. And you can set up an ATM without, if you don't want to use a specific profit target or stop loss, I mean, you can set them up just number of contracts, I believe. Yeah, automatic trade management. Yeah, test it out on Sim, Borneo, instead of not on one of your actual contracts. I mean, one of your actual accounts. But yeah, try that. We're kind of consolidating here around 40, 50, 40, 46. little bit of an up-down move. It's an up-down move. This is a Bob Anderson type setup, though. Down, he would have put it there. He would have put it there. He would have put it there. And then, let's see. Use this for just a minute. Boom. He would have set an order there. Got filled there. What was that at? 40, no. Yeah, low of that, 45 half, which would have went down to 43. So for me, that would have got my 2, and it's coming still, coming back down. So that'd been a nice little kind of bob in. I'm not using his gold line and red line and all that, but it's a type of trade he does. Have a great day, Crypticon. That's what I love about this community, guys. Everyone comes in to try and help when there's questions. So hopefully we got Borneo's figured out there. And Crypticon's figured out. Wealth of knowledge. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Hassan. That's just not a way to do it. And Hassan, Gabs has told me they will do it if you ask on Under Trade and Helios. Yep, that's what Gabs told me. I was told both Helios on the funded side and Earn the Trade on the eval side will do it. That's what I was told. I haven't verified that. I never. Thank you, Crypticon. Really appreciate that, buddy. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Pushing down. I thought about taking this short as well. The only thing that kept me from it was these wicks. But this one might go too. We'll see. It is very kind of him. That would have worked right there, I think. Boom. Yep, would have worked. So you can see I'm recognizing it, and I'm actually calling them out before they actually go. So that means I just need to start taking them more. This is different than I should have taken it there. I'm calling them out and saying I'm still not taking them all, but it's getting there. I am feeling more confident. And you can see today of the trigger candles, there's only one blue. Well, I mean, technically, this would have been a trigger, I guess. But I've pretty much eliminated where candles are going through both the 20 and the 100, which is why I'm not marking those. Now, this one would not, if I had taken it, this one wouldn't have worked, but this one would have. So they would have canceled each other out. There's a few more minutes to go in the stream. Have a great day, JC. See you tomorrow. Ooh, pushing down. Down to 40.34. Remember earlier, RJ said about getting down to 39.99 possibly. So we just hit this support right here, 40.34. Let's see if it breaks it. Low of day was the very first candle around 40.28. That was a quick burst down too. And we did pretty much see. I mean, we kind of been. We were uptrending all day. Had this pullback. Tried again, failed, and now we're just moving on down. Ooh wee. To the deluxe apartment. So it was a very successful day. 3 for 3 for $300. How much, Crypticon? Weren't you leaving? It was a 31-point candle there on NQ. I still miss NQ, by the way, guys. I really do. But anyway, 31-point candle. Actually, NQ's dropped like 70 points in the last 5 minutes. Is that total for the day or just that trade, Crypticon? I never know how many contracts you're running. Awesome. So happy to hear that, Crypticon. Great work. That's a pretty good hourly rate. Still dropping. There's that 40.28 that RJ was looking for. Wow, Crypticon. Make sure you tip those waitresses well. 40.27 quarters are low, new low a day. So you see how this worked. We got up to this level here, came back down, failed to get above it again, and then it just, once it failed, it fell. Little bounce, back up to 40.31. Um, busy. I have never. Well, I've done one illegal account. I don't know much about them, but I am a Lilu affiliate. So if you'll use my link when you do sign up, I'll appreciate that. It's in the Discord. Anyone else have used Lilu entry account? Thank you. I appreciate you. I believe that when we look, let me go look at the entry account real quick while we watch if this is gonna fall. I don't even know. Uh, entry account. Uh, the entry accounts. Hold on. Remember that on the entry, those are the. Remember, it's a very limited to the payouts. But I'm not exactly sure. It's kind of confusing. I'm not 100% sure how it works. Yeah. The reason you're going that route, Busy, instead of just more Apex or Bull and Ox or Elite Trader funding or whatever? Possible reversal candle there, trying to head back down. We'll hang on until 10 after, 5 to 10 after, but I don't think we're coming back down. Right, I know you're not leaving Apex. I'm just saying, is there a reason you're picking Lilu? Okay, I see what you're saying. I got you. I got you. And we're back up to 40.36 here. We got down to 40.27, pop back up, but 9. Yeah, I know. Yep, I know. They limited his amount of money, so he started his own company. Yep. There you go, Hassan. Touches the EMA. But popping back up. So, folks, good day today. 3 for 3, $300. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back here tomorrow. Close out the week, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll talk tomorrow. Bye. You're welcome, Ace. Have a great run. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.